Hello and welcome to Coddled Kiwi Arts. Sorry, I've been away for a few weeks and I've had a lot on my plate. That's right, I've had a lot on my plate. I'm going to be painting just in black today. The reason why is I'm going to teach you everything there is to know about negative and positive painting. Now, I've been a glass artist for 32 years, so if you can just imagine a piece of glass. It looks clear, that's right, but under certain light it looks dark. So when you sandblast a picture or etch a picture directly to the glass goes white. That's right, opaque. And all the clear parts of the glass, if you look at a certain angle, it will look dark. And if you sandblast your entire piece of glass, making it all white, and you leave your picture clear, well, we call that a negative. I know it can be quite confusing, but I'm going to show you here on a white piece of paper what I'm trying to explain to you. So just imagine this piece of paper is a piece of glass. Now it is obviously not clear, so we could say that this is a negative because it is completely white. That's right. So let's make this, we'll make half of it black. Now I don't have black because I've completely run out of black. I don't normally use it, but I have been recently. So I'm going to divide this into half, like so, and I'm going to just quickly make this half here black. Right, add some water to that. Now I should have done this before I started the video. In that way, you're not watching me doing this, but it won't take long, I promise. It won't take long. So almost there, see? So if you're still watching the video, I thank you. I know, time is precious, and everyone's got busy lives. That's why I haven't been on YouTube lately, because I've had a lot on my plate and I've had lots to do. So okay, there we go. So let's pretend that the black part, or the black side, is the piece of glass, right? And you're looking at it at night time. Okay, so that way you cannot see anything on the other side because it's night. So here you are in the room looking at the glass, and there's nothing outside except maybe the moon, but there's no moon today. So what are you going to see? Nothing. That's right, you're just going to see blackness. So that's what I'm trying to say before. The glass is black, and if you tilt or turn the glass to an angle, it will act as black as well, especially if you've got a white image sandblasted to the glass. So I'm going to let that dry. Now this here is a white side. We're going to say that this is a negative. So now this is going to be quite confusing, because what I'm doing now is not exactly how it's done in the real world. Normally, if we have a piece of glass and we sandblast it or etch it, it automatically goes white. Correct? Yes. But you cannot put your image on it afterwards. I guess you could paint on the sandblasted areas, but I'm going to pretend that I had some let's do a symbol. Actually, let's do a nice looking Mania. Okay. So the Mania is, I'm going to paint that black. So just give it a tail. Give it some hands. Like so. And maybe I can make it a little bit thicker through there. I've made a little bit of a mistake in my drawing, but I'm going to try and see if I can fix it. That should do it. I'm definitely not going to win an award with this sort of painting, but anyway, so just imagine if the piece of glass had a masking or an image with masking tape stuck on the glass. So the masking tape, which protects the glass from being etched once you're sandblasting it or etching it, prevents it from going white. Okay, so after we've sandblasted the glass, we remove the masking tape, which reveals the clear glass underneath. See? So this would be where the masking tape was, and so if I peeled it off or peeled it away, you would have the clear glass and everything around it would be obscure from the sandblasting. That's right. So we call this a negative. A negative, okay? A negative panel. Now, this process is normally done beforehand, before you etch the glass. That's why it can confuse people, because I'm doing it at the last part of the stage. So, yeah. So I hope you can understand what I was trying to tell you. Okay, but this side here is going to be a lot easier because I'm going to pretend that because this is the normal way of doing things, this will be the correct way. So this is my clear piece of glass, and I'm going to pretend that my paintbrush is my sandblasting nozzle, and I'm sandblasting, so I've got higher pressured grit coming out of my paintbrush, and as it hits the glass it's going to go white, you see. So again, I'm going to try and paint my Mania. So as soon as the grit hits the glass, it turns white. Now, it's not going to go nice and straight and perfect like this. It all depends on your nozzle of your gun. The bigger it is, the bigger the impact it's going to have. So the smaller it is, it's obviously going to be a lot thinner. But what you do is you put masking tape on your glass and you cut your image out, and whatever you cut out is what's going to be etched on your glass after you sandblast it. So I'm drawing my skinny maniah here, like this. I'll do a fishtail here. Now I've done a demonstration of a maniah on another video explaining all the different parts. So if you'd like to watch that, please do so. So yeah, so here we have a positive. Let's do positive here. Positive. Okay. And here we have a negative. So I hope that explains everything. Positive and negative. Remember, this is clear glass and this is obscure glass. This is where it's been sandblasted. Just imagine if I put a piece of masking tape down and I've cut this image out and I sandblasted it, because it's going to leave nice clean lines from where I've cut the image. And then after it's finished, I'll peel that tape off, revealing the image. Here I've put the masking tape on the image, blasting the background, then I remove the masking tape, revealing a clear image. But because the glass is all sandblasted, this means it is a negative. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please write it in the comments box below. And thank you for watching. And if you get a big heart from me, it's my appreciation to say thank you for watching and supporting our channel. And I'll see you guys again later for next videos like this. Bye now.